Here we go. We're riding around. Ducati Star, nice blind curve. Oh, whoa, whoa. Good straightening up. Thankfully, we didn't panic or go too fast, right? Because look at that drop off. Let's take a quick look at this. So this is a big, scary moment right here. So we're going around a blind curve. So this is what I keep talking about, line of sight issues. We can't see anything over here, so we have to work within what we can see. Now, that's going to keep increasing the more we go around this corner, but this is all we have to work with. We can't do anything on the other side. We can't trust that it's open. We cannot. You cannot trust that it's open. Now, you can trust in your skills to be able to navigate anything around the corner if you want to, but that's if you have the skill. So if you're a brand new rider, or if you're somebody that doesn't have the massive confidence and you need to have vision in order to make good judgment calls, and you can't just trust yourself and the machine and your skills in case something bad happens because you might panic, you haven't been practicing for a while, whatever it is. So if that's you, then let's just go ahead and slow it down. That's the option. Slow it down around these corners. It's going to keep opening up the view the more and more you go. See how it's opening up more and more and more, but you're still not able to see. And then right here, would this typically, for you, just ask yourself this question, maybe write in the comments, would this bother you to see a big vehicle? Would that cause you to panic? Or would it cause you to be like, oh, not a big deal, and you move over? Typically, it's going to cause you to panic. So if that's going to be the case, what is your action when you panic? Do you go into your training where you know how to stand it up, apply progressive brake pressure, find escape routes? Or is it going to be, oh crap, slam the brakes? Ask yourself that question. If you don't know, you need to be practicing more. Okay, so if something surprises you like this, what are you going to do? You need to practice. You need to train. You need to train like your life depends on it. So go to a parking lot and practice these things. All right, so we're going around the corner, and oh crap. So what do we do here, Cafe? We are in lane position 1, lane position 2, lane position 3. Currently right here. So planning our ride, we need to find that escape route, position for safety, locate the hazard, adapt to the hazard, and move away. Okay, that's what we got to be doing here. So he stands it straight up. Now it's like, oh crap, where do I go? We could easily panic and just go straight and target fixate on this drop off, right? So if we're target fixated right here, if we're focused right here, let's go ahead and make a focal point. If we're focused right here, we're going to go towards that. So when you're in this position, your peripheral is focused on everything else. It's all fuzzy. This is what you're focusing on though. So that's where you're going to go. So how do we prevent ourselves from going to that focal point? We change our focal point. We change it to our escape route. That's the big thing. You need to change your focal point from, oh crap, that's a danger, to that's my safety. Change your focal point from danger, I'm staring at danger, to I'm staring at my safety. You want to look at danger. You always do, because that's what we're kind of designed for, because we need to fight it or we need to flight. But here's the thing. We're on a motorcycle. We need to flight. We always need to go away. We need to get away from things. We have the agility on a motorcycle. So don't stare at it. Stare at your safety. So stare at this. Stare at your exit. And with your skills, you can turn the bike and you can apply progressive brake pressure. You can swerve. That needs to come naturally. And the only way it comes naturally without you thinking is when it goes into the automaticity, the habit-formed training that you've been doing. Okay, so don't practice bad habits. Practice good habits. You can practice all day long, every day. Are you practicing the right thing? I don't know. So he was able to find that narrow escape route. Very good. And you notice how he's staring. Look at the center of the screen. We're right here. We're not looking off to the right. He did a good job. Very good rider. Very good. Did good. So target fixation is not a terrible thing. Target fixation is only bad if you're staring at the wrong thing. If you're staring at your exit, let's say you're going through a parking lot, doing some parking lot practice, and you're staring at that cone right in front of you, the one that you have to go around, but you're not staring at the next cone, the exit, well, you're going to go wide. You're going to look at this cone, pass it. Okay, now where's my next one? And you're already behind the 8-ball. You're getting close to this cone over here. You look at the next one. See how my head's already turned? and I automatically go around that cone because I already set up for it. So right here, target fixation is not a bad thing, only if you're target fixated on the wrong stuff.
I took a wrong turn. We gotta make a U-turn right here. Let's get in front.
Oh, no. So 2 left turns. It looks like it's a red. Did we turn on red?
Their bike. Aw. Aw. Poor her. What happened? You dropped your bike?
Oh, no.
Wait, what do you mean? When you got in front?
Yeah, I thought it was coming.
She looks like a new rider.
Got spooked. Aw. We dropped it on the left side?
New rider. Got some frame sliders.
Right.
That's fine. It's going to hopefully protect a lot of that. All right. So
You got spooked.
I know what the problem is. Not a rock form mount. Guys, grab yourself a rock form mount. Link in the description. Whew. All right, let's go back. That's not the problem. The problem is, so if we're teaching and mentoring new riders as part of the Smart Rider principles, we need to go to the level of the new rider. We have to go to that level. We can make this turn.
Took a wrong turn. We gotta make a U-turn right here.
So he took a wrong turn. They have to make a U-turn. Take a look at the position we're in. We're in the right lane out of the 2 turn lanes. Okay, it's a red light. Unsure of what's happening because it's still red, and all of a sudden we're on this road, but it's still red at the light. We'll kind of see what this is. So what we're supposed to take a U-turn. We're already in this lane. If you're a new rider, don't feel pressured to turn and do U-turn like this. Just go through here, get in this parking lot, turn right, and then go out that way. Treat it like a practice. We don't need to do the U-turn right here. So it's a red light. There's a jump cut. So there's a jump cut. Let me see. Let's take a look. We're doing an investigation. This is a van.
I took a wrong turn. We gotta make a
Okay, so here's the thing. It's a Toyota. Same van. Okay, same van.
U-turn right here. Let's get in front.
Same van. So they did an illegal left-handed U-turn from the right-left lane. If that makes sense to you guys. So we did it in front of other vehicles in a green. And we're having a new rider do it. You know what I mean? I'm trying to think. I'm trying to put myself in the position of a new rider. As a new rider, I'm not confident in a U-turn. My U-turns are terrible. I'm not very confident in it. Now let's add in the factor of stress. I got to do it right away on a red light. There's vehicles coming. There's a big intersection. Lots of people watching. Very scary. And I'm not confident. And I need to keep up with my friend, boyfriend, whatever it is. I have to keep up. That's way too much. So if you are a rider that is trying to teach somebody new, just say, hey, we're gonna go through this parking lot. We're gonna just go ahead and do this. And we're gonna come back this way. We should have made a U-turn. We messed up. We're gonna do this, and there it is. Boom, done. So I think that's just a coaching and mentoring mistake, and that right there happens way too much to beginners. Why we should not be putting beginners into that position. It was a mistake, you know. They're just having good times, you know, talking on the CARDO Pack Talk Bolts.
No, she dropped her bike. Aw.
I'd be very concerned.
Aw. Poor her. What happened? You dropped her bike?
There was a car coming in the turn. So that's the thing is, it was red for us. The other vehicles are going. We should not have been turning left. See, we should have waited. See, now the van that we were next to at the beginning of the video is turning. So we turned on a red. We did a left-handed turn on a red, which was illegal. It was an illegal left turn. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to CARDO for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I could talk to my kids on their CARDO Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a CARDO Pack Talk. Bold, slim, freecom, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you're going to get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. All right, we're riding around here on a scooter. All right, watch out for anything coming from the right side. All right, orange stage.
If you reprehensible behavior.
Okay, good. Out of there.
Keep a safe distance and decides to filter.
Side of the vehicle. Whoa. Okay. Not much you could do there. Did a good job with 360 situation awareness. Got himself out of that situation. All right. So can't do much here. And that's a big fear. Now, this is one of those things where you better have full gear just in case a dum-dum does this. If you were in a car, they would have hit you. The fact that they didn't hit you is because we're on a motorcycle and they had some room to navigate around this. They made a stupid mistake. They might blame you, whatever it is. But if we were in a car, we'd have been hit. We're on a motorcycle, we're not hit. We're thankfully able to be angry about this. You understand the path that I'm going down? If we got hit, we would have damages, financial problems, all these different things, insurance rates, all these things, possibly whiplash, probably, back pain. Who knows? But we're on a motorcycle. It was a close call. Thankfully, we're able to just be angry a little bit about it. So thankfully, nothing happened. If we got hit, what do? We need to wear full gear. Smart Rider principles: acquire and utilize personal protective equipment. You have to. It's going to mitigate as much as it possibly can. I'm not saying it's going to mitigate 90% of the damage. I'm saying it's going to mitigate as much as gear possibly can, and hopefully that is enough to keep you from having life-altering or life-ending issues. Yeah, there's nothing you could do, because let's say he tried to escape by accelerating. He's going to hit the side of the vehicle in the intersection. He's going to put himself in a huge dangerous position. Hopefully he can navigate and go right. It's a right turn lane right there too, but it's already on us. The vehicle would have hit us already. So he did good. Lane filtering. Okay, very tight spot.
I'm sorry.
We shouldn't be trying. We shouldn't be trying to do that. Yeah, I know. We should not be trying if it was that narrow.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, if you don't feel comfortable doing it, don't do it. Now, lane filtering is just supposed to get you to the front and to prevent you from getting hurt.
Where?
Like there-ish. On the front bumper. Around here, it was around.
You're right. Must be mental. Why couldn't you wait 2 seconds?
I was just filtering.
But the traffic ain't going nowhere.
It's legal.
Yep.
Idiot.
It's legal, but just because you can does not mean you should.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
I mean, that's all you can say. If you're at fault, just say I'm sorry. If you can't do it, don't do it. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. So let's take a look at this real quick. Let's take a look. Look at that. Look at that. What are we trying to do? Are we trying to just min-max it and like, I'm going to get to here? Because you're not going to make this. You're not going to make that. You're not going to make this. You're not going to make that. So why don't we just stay right here or back a little bit more? You know what I mean? It's like, just because if you, I guess anything can fit with enough force. I mean, it's just like, what? But why? Why?
Sorry.
All right, moving on. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Crow, Arizona, baby. Woo! Crow! This is a local DDFM crew member, by the way. This is in Tucson. One only you, I think you might know him. Crow on Instagram. Check him out. Okay, big open lane. What are we doing here? What are we doing, Crow? Oh, don't do the phone thing.
Tank is open.
Oh.
Your gas tank is open. Can I close it?
If you can, sure.
I've done that before. Hey, he's such a good... I was hoping he wasn't going to be like, hey, get off your phone. Oh, it's not a big deal. Remember, it's their emergency, not yours. Hey.
I hope you find.
All right, Crow, we'll give you one more. I just want to see... I want to see where he's at. Okay, so it's the Loft Cinema. Is this on Speedway? This might be Speedway. This might be on Speedway. I think it is. So he's riding around. Yeah, there's the car wash. Hey, you got your gas tank open. Oh, it's not that bad, Crow. You don't have to do that. Just watch out for your behind. Watch out behind you. That's what I'd be worried about. Whew.
Your gas tank is open.
Your gas tank is open.
Your gas tank is open.
Crow, you're doing a good job, all right? You're doing a good job. That was really cool. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.